Hi, my name is Chuck. I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina. We specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more leads and more business. And I was doing a Google search for the most popular keyword search for your niche in Charleston, and this is what comes up on the first page. A lot of times there's a lot of ads up here, but then you get into what we call a map section. Then you get into the organic listings. And this first one is a directory. Here's one of your competitors. This is another directory listing. Competitor. And I didn't know if you knew, but 80% of all new search results go with one of the top 3 searches. So most of the new business, 80 to 90% of the new businesses go into these companies. And most businesses, I'm sure, would want a piece of that, or to be one of these companies on this first page. Well, we can help you do that, or I can show you some things that you can do to help yourself get there. I did search and found you on the second page, and you were down, here you go, right there. Went to your website, and it looks very nice, and a lot of good color and pops, and like the movement. People like that. Hopefully your web person is putting image alt tags on these images, because Google picks up on that as a signal, and that helps boost your rankings as well. But Google, the reason Google will rank a site is because they trust it. Google is in this for the end user. Just like you and me, if we search anything, we want to find it on that first page, and we want to find what we're looking for with ease. We want it to be accurate, good, authoritative information, and to match what we're looking for. So one of the things that Google does to see if they trust your company, is your title tag. And so we put your URL into our metadata extractor. This is what comes out as your title, which usually shows up in the blue line here in the search results. And Google likes to see the city first and then the company or the keyword next. So if you could just make that one minor change and put in Charleston pest control companies to be congruent with what people are looking for, then you could put a vertical line and put your company name. You got 72 characters to play with, so you can put whatever you want after that. That'll really help boost your rankings. The other thing Google looks at is your heading tags, all the headings on your website. In our analyzer, we popped in. You don't show, or Google's not picking up on any headings that you may have on there, and whether they be a primary heading or any secondary headings. So that's an easy fix. Going back to your website, usually a heading goes down right here, and again, you'd want that to be congruent with what people are searching for. So if you just put in Charleston pest control companies down here, and then Carolina Exterminating the best in the Charleston area, something to that effect, and then you've got some good content here, and that's good. But that'll help boost your rankings. There's several other things that we can do, we can talk about. I can either help you with, or you can do on your own. But just reply to my email, and be glad to help you out. Otherwise, hope you have a great day. Take care.